Hey everyone, Danny this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install and set up GitHub Copilot with VS Code. So let's dive in, and then first off, go to Google and search for github.com. If you are new to GitHub, just click on sign in. After signing in, enter your email, your password, your username, and your country, and then just click on this checkbox and continue. I'll just fill my details. So as you can see, I've entered all my details and I'll just simply click on continue. It shows that this username is not available. I'll just write this username. So yeah, this username is available and I'll simply just now click on continue. It will verify my account. Now you have two options to verify your account. I am selecting visual puzzle. Now it says to enter the email address and the password for signing in. I'll just simply enter it. So as you can see, I have entered my email and my password. I'll just simply click on sign in. So here I am signed in into my GitHub account. Now after signing in, head over to VS Code. So after coming to VS Code, on this right side extensions tab, just click here and on the top search bar, just search for GitHub Copilot. After searching, you can see the GitHub Copilot. Click on it and just simply click on install. So as you can see, the GitHub Copilot extension has been installed on my VS Code, and now you can just simply use it, and this will act as a companion to your code, and you can customize it in your own ways by going on to the settings. Here are the settings. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching.